Hey guys, so today I just thought I'd take the car for a drive because yesterday I did give it a wash, so it's pretty fresh. So I'm just gonna go take it for a drive. I'll start by finding a good car park, like an underground car park, and just take some photos on there. Just give my photo editing skills a go. I've just got a Sony A7IV as well, so I'm gonna be shooting with that and just learning how it works. So I thought I'd just take you guys along. So yeah, we'll just drive to the city, find a nice underground car park with some good lighting in there, and I might even do a POV drive through the city as well. So yeah, I just thought I'd get you guys to follow along with me. So yeah, we'll go start up the whip. So yeah, it should be a good day. Now, I haven't taken any photos on this camera before, so I'm gonna be working out all the settings and stuff, but just thought I'd give you guys a quick start, a quick cold start as well. I'll just take you guys for a drive and then get some good photos, hopefully. Weekend $15, wow. So $15 photo shoot right here. What we'll do, start with just the normal in a car spot kind of shoot, and then go from there. Maybe go with park across some lines or something under some nice lights. I don't know really, first time doing it, so we'll see what happens. I'm gonna take you guys with me. Pulled up just in the middle of the car park, so it's a pretty good shot there, so we're just gonna see how we go with this. Let's get everything in focus, make sure we're all level. So I'm shooting at 150, 160 ISO. That's a pretty good shot there. Just trying to get that rule of thirds going as well. So keep in the headlights. Keep the headlights in the bottom quarter of the frame. Not that I'm a professional or anything, but just having a play. Yeah, let's drop this down a bit. That 150 we were shooting at's pretty damn good. Get the car in focus. Cool. Next spot. We get out of here. ISO. Hey guys, so yeah, I'm done for the day now. Just sun's getting low and I've depleted both batteries, so I just thought I'd call it a day for today. So yeah, hope you enjoyed coming along with me. Obviously first time recording, so I didn't say much on a lot of it, just because I'm just learning how to use the camera. I've never had a camera before, a professional camera, so just learning how to use the Sony A7IV, just getting the focus there and different focus settings, as well as just messing with the polarizer, because I did get a polarizer for it, just for shooting outdoor stuff. So yeah, just been messing around with that and been messing around with the ISO and the white balance and all that stuff. So I'll put some photos up. I'll edit some photos, put them up as well. Probably be on my Instagram page. So check out my Instagram page. It's linked down below. So yeah, just check them out there. There'll be all the photos that I took today. Well, all the good ones actually. I'm not going to put any shit ones up there, but yeah, all the good ones that I've done. And hopefully, yeah, you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully they look pretty good. They look good on screen, but obviously when you put them on a laptop, they look totally different. So they could be out of focus and all sorts of stuff. Yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and subscribe, like this video, and do put some comments on there as well. It's good for the algorithm, helps my channel grow. I'm just starting out, so thanks guys, and I'll see you on the next one.